you. I hope that this video finds you doing fabulously. I am doing pretty good myself. Guess why? My little pink package showed up on my doorstep. Yes, I have a Nadine West bag to share with you today, and I'm so pleased that you stopped by to see what I got in this pink package. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm really glad that you are here. I hope that you will subscribe before you leave and tap the bell. Then you'll get a notification every time I make a video, and my videos are all about women's clothing, women's accessories, shoes, anything that I need to put my outfits together. Now, Nadine West, this is a service I've been using for quite some time, and I've been pretty happy with the pieces that I receive in Nadine West. Now, it's an affordable style subscription service, the most affordable one that I currently use. I went online, I joined, I filled out a style profile, and I kind of just get random pieces every month. They're really good to send me jewelry, and it's trendy, and it's cute, and it's inexpensive, which is right up my alley. I have also received some clothing pieces that I really enjoy wearing. And if you watch my outfit diary, which is just a video showing you my daily looks, it's published every Sunday, so you can see a lot of Nadine West pieces show up in my regular everyday wardrobe. So if you're wondering if I actually wear and use the clothing I get in this little pink package, make sure you watch my outfit diaries on Sunday. Boy, was that a shameless plug? This Nadine West has been opened. I did film all of it, the unboxing, the bundles, everything, and the footage was terrible. So I will insert some of those clips so you can actually see the package and my reaction to it, but I thought I'd just show you the clothing. That's why we're here, right? The clothing and the jewels. Let's get into it. With this subscription service, there is a shipping or styling charge of $9.78, but that charge is deducted off anything you keep in your purchase. I have left everything that you need to know about Nadine West in the description bar below. So if you want more information, please check it out. I have left a code in the description box as well. And if you have never tried Nadine West and you use my code, you will get that $9.78 shipping fee waived, and you will also get a free pair of earrings just for trying it. And in this box, I have a free pair of earrings because one of my excellent viewers used my code. Thank you very much. I love free jewelry. Who doesn't? So be my guest. If you want to try it, check it out. Now let's get into this package. I have 4 pieces of clothing and 4 jewels. The first pair that I unboxed and tried on for you are these joggers. Aren't they funky? These are from DNA Couture, and these are called Electric. Now, I really like these joggers. They have a really nice feel to them. That is a loud pattern, and pattern bottoms usually make my bottom look very, very big, but I kind of like these. Now, I showed them to you with a tank top, but I would truly wear probably a sweatshirt with these. And yeah, that's a navy blue and kind of a heather gray, but it's really a silky fabric. There is a band around the ankle, an elastic band at the waist. There is a tie, and the tie is not operable. You cannot adjust this waistband. And the best part, there are pockets. I like the way that these feel on my body. That silky fabric feels really nice, and they don't look very silky, do they? Now, the patterns don't match up in the back. Okay, I noticed that. What do you think about it? I guess it won't be so bad if I wear a longer sweatshirt type top or tunic top with it. And I do have lots of navy blue tunics that I have picked up from Nadine West. These are $15.99. I mean, can you believe that? I have been getting the best leggings and joggers from Nadine West at really super prices. I like these guys. These felt really nice on. The next piece that was in that bundle are a pair of leggings, and these are by Shosho. And I just picked up my first piece by Shosho last month. My joggers, love them, love them. Look at these. These are a really thick heather gray legging, and they're so thick. I was wondering what's up with that. They're fleece lined. They are so warm and comfortable. These are called the Soft and Slim, and these are the most expensive thing in this entire bag, coming in at $25.99. Now the truth is, I didn't want to take these off. They feel really amazing. And I know where I live, I will only be wearing these for the next month, 6 weeks or something like that, but I will wear them. That's the point. I have fleece leggings that I have owned for several years, and they are wonderful to have in the cold winter months, and they're really super to wear under dresses. So I am so happy to have these new show leggings with fuzzy insides. Okay, the next one, you know this is a Kelly top because it's bright red. This is kind of a basic piece. It has a little bit more than a crew neck. It's not quite a boat neck though. And this is a super soft fabric, long sleeve. It's a longer in length, and we have that little twist detail that I tend to like. If the blouse is long enough, I like it, and I think this was a perfect fit, and I think it looked great with the leggings. What did you think? I don't know, maybe I need a little bit more length, but I love this one. This one, $23.49, and this is definitely a Kelly top. I'm so excited to have it. It can be used as a layering piece, and I think it stands alone very nicely. This top by Hippie Chick is called the Nathy. I mean, I think they should change the name to the Kelly top because this is a winner for Kelly. And the last top is by Miley and Molly, and look how fun this top is. It's in navy with the stripes and the big red and pink roses, but look at these sleeves. And I am always attracted to cool sleeve detail. Now, it's got a big flutter on it, and yet you cannot, the armholes are perfect. You can't see your bra through that. There is a little cinching at the waistline. The waistline is pretty high as well, and there's some ties, and these are not working ties. You cannot adjust the waistline, but there is a lot of give there. Now that we have this little peplum like bottom, and I just like the movement on this top. I love the sleeves. This one is only $15.49. It's called the Kayla. I mean, where do they come up with these names? I wonder. I want to be a clothing namer. That would be an awesome job. But yeah, I'm keeping this, $15.49. I was concerned about the length a little bit, but I think that can be combated by wearing just a tee underneath, and I didn't find that I was bothered by it as riding up when I moved my arms, so yeah, I like it. This is going to be a fun piece to wear. It's jewelry time. Let me share with you my free gift. The pair of earrings that I received because one of you used my referral link. These are called Wings of Love, and they didn't come on the card. I put them on the card because they are so dainty that I wanted you to be able to see them well. All the jewelry just comes packaged in a little pink bag. There's a little wing there and a crystal inside. And I think you can see from the close-up that that crystal reflects the light so beautifully. I like these. I don't have a lot of teeny tiny dainty earrings, and I kind of need these to balance out some of my statement necklaces. So I am so happy to have the Wings of Love. The purchase price on these is $11.99. Thank you so much for this great gift. Okay, the next earrings that I tried are called the Weathered Leaves. And I like these because they're a little bit bigger, they're a dangly, they have some crystal in them, but yeah, they're not super duper shiny, and yet they do have some crystals to catch the light. $9.99. I think that is a great price. Should I keep these? I really want these too. I mean, this is turning out to be a super duper bag. The next piece is a necklace, and this necklace is called Am I Blue? It's $20.99. All of the jewelry came in silver tones this time, and so what it is, it's a ring, and let me show you. The ring has some etchings in it, and then there inside the ring is a heart, and the heart has crystals. And it's so hard to show on camera, but isn't it pretty? I think this is so nice. It does have an extender on it. I like this also. $20.99. Am I blue? Do I need all this jewelry? I kind of feel like I do. The last piece in my bag is a bracelet, and this bracelet is called the Celine, and it is silver in tone, green crystals in it. I hope that you can see it really well in the try-on. This is $14.99. I feel like this is supposed to be mine. I did a little shopping haul last night, and I just picked up some emerald earrings and necklace. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it comes in, but this is going to be a perfect match. I love the way that this one looks on my wrist. I think this is a fabulous, it's almost like a little tennis bracelet with all those crystals, but I love the green stone just in time for St. Patrick's Day. This Nadine West has been outstanding. Now, if I need to return anything, I'm just going to put it right back into this pink bag, and they have supplied me with a postage-free label just to put on here. I drop it off at the post office. It's super easy to return anything that I don't want to keep. But I kind of like everything in this shipment. It's going to be very easy to utilize my $9.78 charge. What do you think I should keep? I just added up the total of the 8 items in this box. Mind you, one was free, but 8 items in this box, the total is $126.93. I know that I want to keep all the clothing pieces. I love the necklace. I love the earrings. The bracelet was meant for me. I mean, 7 pieces, $126. That seems like a deal to me. But I'm not going to make any decisions until I hear from you. With Nadine West, you get a bunch of time to decide what you want to keep. You just check on your label and it says this label is good and valid until a certain date. So I still have several days to decide, so I could really use your help. $126 sounds pretty good to me, but I am going to wait. I'm really excited to wear the red top and those warm leggings. So I'm probably not going to wait on those. I think I am going to keep those most definitely. Please leave all your comments below and don't leave without giving me a big thumbs up. When you give me a thumbs up, it helps me more than you can know. It allows YouTube to share my videos with more and more people if you take the time to rank them. So thank you. You guys are so great. You do everything I ask. Thank you very much. Hey, another thing, can you come back in 2 days for another video? I can't wait to see you. Blessings to all of you.